Welcome to the MetaRoom platform. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to export your 3D model to Relux Desktop. After scanning with your Apple Pro device, go to your desktop computer and open MetaRoom in your browser. Navigate to your desired 3D model and open it. If you expand the model tree, you will see that MetaRoom has already recognized and grouped together rooms within your 3D model. This is done by automated room recognition during the scan. By clicking on the room inside the model tree, you can inspect and see what room it is. If you want to export some of these rooms into Relux, click on the preferred room. Give the room a name and choose the utilization type. Utilization type is not a mandatory field, so feel free to leave it empty if not needed. You can also add notes to your room to provide more details. To export the room, click on the Export button, select Relux on the drop-down menu, and click Export. You can now see that the Relux export has been triggered as you see the Relux export mode. Select the rooms that you want to export from the model tree on the left. They will be added to your export file. If you want to include an open space or any combination of spaces, you can group them manually before exporting your project. Just select the walls and assets that you want to group, assign them a name, and click on Create New Group. Your new group will be then added to the model tree. Now, you can select the new group as a new room to add to your final export file. These are all the rooms that will be exported. You can give your export a new name, select if you want to export the complete model or room geometry only, then click on Relux Export to start exporting the file. That's it. You are all set to explore and work with your 3D model seamlessly.